Today on World Famous Foods, we're giving you another breakfast idea. Check us out. Okay folks, we got our butter. It's heating up. Gonna put our pepperoni in here now. Oh yeah, just another great breakfast idea from World Famous Foods. Okay, let's beat up our eggs. Dash of salt, onion powder, add this to our. There we go. Like that. Yes. Oh yeah. We're gonna just put a tortilla on top of this. Then put this. Oh yeah. Okay. Add some cheese. Turn our heat down. I'm going to cover this. Add another tortilla on top of this one. Then flip this again. Oh yeah, look at that. The cheese melts. Oh yeah, okay folks, turn this off, finish. There we have another World Famous Foods breakfast idea. Okay folks, let's give this a cut.